You attract miracles when you believe in yourself. Always believe in the magic within you. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. So, believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, anything is possible. So let's get started. You are unstoppable when you believe in yourself. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can become unstoppable when we believe in ourselves. Life is an unpredictable journey, filled with challenges and triumphs, highs and lows. When we cultivate the power of self-belief, we unlock a reservoir of strength, determination, and courage that can carry us through even the toughest of times. Believing in oneself is a profound truth that shapes destinies and transforms lives. Let's think about the people who have achieved greatness against all odds, from inventors to leaders, artists to athletes, all driven by an unshakable belief in their capabilities. Remember, what you see on social media is what people let you see, and they don't tend to advertise their struggles. It's like that old saying, don't compare your insides to someone else's outside. When you believe in yourself, you remove doubts from your mind. Consider the stories of entrepreneurs who built empires from scratch, and the visionaries who dared to dream big. What unites them is not just talent or luck, but a firm belief in their ability to achieve their goal. Believing in yourself can boost your motivation and drive to achieve your goals. When you have confidence in your capabilities, you are more likely to take on challenges and persevere in the face of obstacles. If you don't, who else will? Maybe you have a system of people who love and support you, and that's great. But at the end of the day, only you can act on the opportunities in your life. At some point in your life, you'll have to take a leap of faith. And you'll have to trust in your ability to survive it. The journey to becoming highly confident often begins with acknowledging your worth and recognizing the unique set of skills, talents, and experiences that shape who you are. Everyone will start at zero, but the thing is how you can convert your situations into a great lifestyle of your desires. If you really want it, then you must work for it. Some people just wish for it and pray for it, but if we don't work for it, it's really difficult to live the life we want. Whatever your goal may be, you can achieve it full of happiness, joy, and celebration when you believe in yourself. Don't shy away from the unknown. Instead, view it as a chance to discover your capabilities and expand your horizons. Each challenge you overcome adds another layer to your confidence. When you approach challenges with confidence and optimism, you are more likely to attract positive outcomes. Positive thinking can help you navigate difficulties and find solutions. When you believe in yourself, you attract miracles. The statement implies a connection to the law of attraction, which suggests that positive thoughts bring positive experiences into a person's life. According to this law, when you believe in yourself, you allow positive vibrations that can attract positive events, opportunities, and people. When you believe in yourself, you don't let your fear stop you. Self-doubt is normal. You can't let that hold you back. Speak up. Set goals. Learning something new or overcoming a hurdle releases dopamine in your brain, and you'll physically feel better with each step you take. Instead of feeling frustrated or small when errors occur, remember that you can learn from mistakes. That is, setbacks are also a potential source of growth. Overcoming fear often involves building confidence, developing resilience, and taking gradual steps towards your goals. When you believe in yourself, you can draw on your inner strength. Understanding yourself better can help you recognize the inner strength you possess. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep can contribute to mental and emotional well-being, enhancing your inner strength. When you believe in yourself, you'll start reaching your goals. How can you reach your goals if you don't even think you can? Your successes shouldn't be a surprise, they should be a validation of your belief in yourself. Believing in yourself helps you focus and increases productivity. Positive thinking is infectious, and it'll spread to others, inspiring them to believe in themselves. The magic happens when you have a belief in self. Of course, it isn't magic, it's your potential.
However, it's essential to acknowledge that self-belief alone may not guarantee success. Action, dedication, and continuous learning are integral components of achieving goals. While belief in oneself can be a powerful catalyst, it should be coupled with strategic planning, hard work, and adaptability to fully realize one's potential. It serves as a motivational reminder that cultivating a positive mindset can empower you to overcome challenges and unlock their full potential. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.